Hi! So today's video I'm back with another makeup tutorial. So I did say in my last autumn makeup tutorial I was gonna do some more autumn and fall like makeup tutorials. So here I am back with another one. So this one is going to be a more fuller glam than the other one was, even though I feel like that one was quite full glam, but I feel like that one was more suited for every day, where this one is just like full blown, you know, we're going out, it's Halloween, let's, I don't know. But anyway, this is the look for today. I hope you enjoy it. Obviously it's very warm toned, very fall, very autumn. That's the time of the year that it is right now. So I hope you enjoy this makeup tutorial. So if you like the look of this makeup look, then subscribe if you want to, give the video a thumbs up as well, and let's go. Okay, so this is the eye look that I've done. I wanted to keep it kind of full glamish, but also very simple and easy to do. So it is really straightforward to do this eye look. I'm gonna intensify that a little bit more when I get back to that shade that I've used in the middle. So it is really simple to do. It just takes a lot of blending. So I'm probably just gonna like point to like the stuff that I'm using and just show you instead of talking through the eyes, and then when obviously I get onto the face, then I'll talk through all of that with you. So the two eyeshadow palettes that I am using, I'm mainly using this one, which is the Tarte Toasted palette. This is one of my favourite warm tone palettes ever. So I pretty much use all the shades from here, except from the middle, like the centre part of the lid, that I used one of the shades from the Beauty Bay Fiery palette. So yeah, you can pretty much do this look with probably any warm tone palette you've got, as long as you've got that like orange just for the centre. So yeah, I'm just going to show you how I did this. I'm then just going to use a white eyeliner. This one's by Essence and it's in the shade Snow Queen. And I'm just going to use this on my lower lash line. Then I'm just going to use the Eyeko liquid liner just to do a small wing. For mascara, I'm going to use the Maybelline Big Shot Colossal Mascara. Obviously you would put false eyelashes on if you wanted to for this look, but do I ever? No. Okay, so that's the eyes pretty much all done. Obviously I'll come back to them when I need to do the lower lash line. Okay, so moving on to the face. For primer, I'm going to use the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Face Primer. I've been obsessed with this. I haven't stopped using this since I filmed the testing video, and I am obsessed with it. Like, it just makes your skin look so nice. And it feels so hydrating as well. I love it. It's probably my favourite thing from that whole collection. I do really like the tinted moisturiser. I've been using that a lot as well, but this is just like obsessed. I love using them together as well. The tinted moisturiser and this primer is really good together. And I would say that this reminds me of my Smashbox primer, which I did say in that video is what it did kind of remind me of, and now I've been using it more, and I've used my Smashbox one as well. It's cheaper. Okay, so for foundation I wanted something kind of full coverage and just all very glam, so I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Flawless Lumiere Radiance Foundation, and the shade I've got is Chai. Whenever I use this foundation, it just reminds me of New York because I got it when I was over there and I kept using it when I was in New York. It makes me so emotional because I'm not there anymore. Okay, then for concealer, I'm going back in with a fave of mine, the Jouer High Coverage Concealer. To set off that, I'm going to use the Jefree Star Cosmetics Loose Powder. Oh, I always forget that this smells so good. It smells like biscuits. I love it. So this is the banana shade that I've got. Put that under there. I'm going to bake with this a little bit because I feel like it holds up better on your skin when you bake with it, so I'm just gonna leave it under my eyes like that for a little bit. Okay, while that's baking under my eyes, I'm gonna do my like contour and bronzer, I think. So to contour, I'm gonna use the Makeup Geek bronzer in Tawny. It's quite deep, so I like to use this for contouring. I love this shade, it's so nice. I haven't used this in a while. Also haven't used this NYX brush in a while, so I thought I would give it a whirl. To kind of warm up the skin a little bit more, I'm going to use, I mean that's pretty warm, but I just want to add something a tiny bit more over top. I'm going to use the Ofra Americano bronzer. This is like really nice and soft, but it's got like a nice sheen to it as well. And I'm just going to pat away the loose powder. Look how smooth that powder makes your skin look, like, oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna do the lower lash line now. Blush, I wanted to use something that's quite nude. So I'm gonna use the Physicians Formula Butter Blush in Nude Silk. Love that blush. Like, I feel like it's not showing up as good as it looks on my skin on camera, but love that. I'm just gonna spritz my face before I do my highlight. Okay, before I do my hair is so messy, I just can't. Before I do the highlight, I just want to pop on some of the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Face Powder, just like here. Okay, then for highlight I wanted something kind of intense, so I'm going to use the Colourpop Pressed Powder Cheek Highlight in here, Kitty Kitty. This is so nice. Look how reflective that is, it's so nice. I think we've just got lips left. Have I done everything? I kind of want to line them a little bit. No. For lips, I'm just going to use the LA Girl lip liner in Bare. And then I'm going to go over with one of my favourite nudes. It's so good for autumn as well because it's kind of like brownie but not too pink, but it's still a really good nude. NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London. There we go. This is how I literally do my hair. I literally just take it out of a braid. Okay, so that is it for the video. So this is the finished look. I hope you like it. Like around autumn time, like this is really nice. Like I feel like it's really simple, but it makes it look really full glam with like the kind of the bronzer and the eyes as well. So I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, then give the video a thumbs up and I will see you in my next video.